Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to solve another MSQ question which is based on Osazone formation reaction from carbohydrates. So let us first read the question. Among the following, the compound or compounds, MSQ means one or more than one option can be correct. Compound or compounds which produce the same Osazone as that obtained from D-glucose when reacted with phenylhydrazine. So first of all, you must know some things like what is the structure of D-glucose, then what is phenylhydrazine. What is hydrazine? Hydrazine is NH2, NH2. What is phenylhydrazine? One of the hydrogen is replaced by phenyl ring. Okay, this is phenylhydrazine. Okay, and what is D-glucose? The structure of D-glucose is there is aldehyde. Okay, it is a aldohexose. Aldo means aldehyde group is present. Hexose means 6 carbons. Okay, CH2OH. Okay, second carbon HOH, third carbon OH is on the left, H on the right. Then fourth carbon again OH on the right, and fifth carbon also OH is on the right. So this is the structure of D-glucose. Okay, now you must know how Osazone is formed, how this compound is formed. So you react it with 3 equivalents of phenylhydrazine, PH, NH, NH2. Okay, and then what we get is compound that is known as Osazone. Okay, we are using glucose, so that is called as glucosazone. If we are synthesizing from fructose, then it will be called as fructosazone. Okay, so what exactly happens is, this is D-glucose. The first equivalent of phenylhydrazine will react. So what exactly happens is, aldehyde reacts with this, there will be loss of water molecule. Okay, and we'll get this compound. This is what this is called as hydrazone. Okay, this is phenylhydrazine. Phenylhydrazine. Okay, so the first step is aldehyde reacts with hydrazine to give hydrazone. Second step is another equivalent of phenylhydrazine. This was first equivalent. This is second equivalent will react, and the alcohol at the second position. This is carbon 1. This is carbon 2. At the second position, the alcohol gets oxidized to ketone, and then again this ketone will react with the third equivalent of phenylhydrazine to give the Osazone. So you can see what is exactly happening in this reaction is, so if you see what exactly happens is, only the first 2 carbons are reacting. The carbon 1, that is aldehyde, and the second carbon are reacting. Rest entire molecule remains same. So what we have to do is, we have to check in which of the molecules, okay, in which of the molecules the rest 4 carbons, carbon 3 to carbon 6 is same. Okay, this should be same. First 2 can be different. And which compounds react with phenylhydrazine? Either aldehyde or ketones. Okay, only these 2 compounds can react with phenylhydrazines or hydrazines in general to form hydrazone. So let us see one by one all the options. So first one, here if you see, we have to check only carbon 3, 4, 5 and 6. This should be same as D-glucose, then you will get the same product. Okay, so OH is on the left, then OH on the right, OH on the right, OH on the left, OH on the right, OH on the right. So this is correct. Option B, again we have to see only carbon 3 to carbon 6. OH on the left, OH on the right, OH on the right. Again B will also give the same Osazone. Option C, if you see, OH on the left, but then at carbon 4 OH is on the left, but we want the OH on the right because in glucose it is on the right. So option C is incorrect. Option D, there is no aldehyde, no ketone, so it will not react. Okay, both are alcohols. Okay, alcohols will not react. So option D is incorrect. Okay, so the important thing that you have to remember is only carbon number 1 and carbon 2. Okay, only carbon 1 and carbon 2 react with phenylhydrazine. That is the important concept that you have to remember. Okay, rest of the molecule will remain the same. Okay, to form what? To form Osazone. So what is the correct answer for this question? Option A and option B. I hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.